Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn with Nidhi ma'am. So today we are going to see set exam education expected answer key which was held on 15 June 2025. So this is the paper 2 of first shift जो morning time में होता है at 11 to 1:30. So 11:30 to 1:30 का range रहता है था कल का पेपर है ये. So let's begin. This is the first question in front of you. According to Thorndike and Thurston, speed of development of capacity of sense organ is more at the dash stage of development. So the correct answer is infancy stage. Next, Ramesh can count objects and he knows only 1500 to 1900 words. Then Ramesh maybe is in the stage of pre-childhood. Option B. Okay. Next. Third, as per Havingston, child should learn proper gender social role at the stage of. This is the option number C, adolescent stage. Okay. Next, as per Piaget theory, child can imagine, formulate hypothesis. Formulate word आपको ध्यान में रखना है and do abstract thinking at the stage of option number B, formal operational. 12 to 15 years का stage होता है ये. So this is option number B. Okay. Next, according to Sternberg's theory of intelligence, dash is the first step in information processing. So option number B, encoding. Next, question number 6. Dash given by Gardner not fully accepted by experts. So option C, spatial intelligence. 7. Thomas' chronological age is 10 years. He successfully solved all questions from Kamath's test for year 10. So chronological age जैसे आपको पता है A/C A into 100. mental age, chronological age into 100. तो chronological age कितना बोला है 10 into 100. और इसका he solved 4 questions from the test for year 12 and 3 questions from the test for the year 14. So this आपका 12 अगर आप करते हैं so this cancel, it's 120. But still I am confused. I think इसका आंसर A भी हो सकता है. So we will mark it as a doubt one. So इसका according to me this expected answer should be D. But we will just wait for the final answer key which is yet to come on the official website. Question number 8. As per Gagne's hierarchical theory of learning, is the dash is the last level of learning. So problem solving, option number D is the correct answer. Question number 9. Sujit learns to his homework to avoid punishment from the teacher. Avoid कर रहा है punishment इसलिए वो कर रहा है अपना homework. This type of learning is known as escape learning. वो बच रहा है अपना होमवर्क. अगर वो नहीं करेगा तो टीचर से डांट खा सकता है, तो इसलिए वो अपना होमवर्क उस डर से कर रहा है. Which of the following statements is wrong? So here the option number D is very much correct. Guidance is a part of the education. Okay. Then राष्ट्रीय माध्यमिक शिक्षा अभियान scheme was launched in March 2009. Option A. Who established the Regional College of Education in India? It's option number A, NCERT. Yeah. Question 13. Who has prepared the National Curriculum Framework for Teacher Education in 2009? It's option number B, NCTE, National Council for Teacher Education. Okay. Next. In the state of Maharashtra, the activity My Innovative Activity is implemented through SCERT Pune for which level of teachers? So option D, primary, secondary and higher secondary teachers. Which of the following major 3 components suggested NCFTE framework 2009 on teacher education? So here the option number is 15 का आता है आपका फाउंडेशंस ऑफ एजुकेशन करिकुलम एंड पेडागोजी स्कूल इंटर्नशिप. ओके, नेक्स्ट. Okay, this becomes, yeah. Which of the following has not recommended by D.S. Kothari Commission for teacher education? So options हम देखते हैं. Research subject should be included in B.Ed and M.Ed syllabus, ये तो होता ही है. The pre-service training program for primary teachers should be 2 years after HSC. C. Grant should be given to cooperating schools for B.Ed training. Then D, fees should not be charged from the trainees undergoing pre-service training. So option D is very much correct. 17. If Abraham Maslow hierarchical classification of needs is the basic foundation of teacher education, then what approach to teacher education would it be? So here the answer number B, humanistic approach, is very much correct. 17th B. Okay, then yeah, question number 18. In which state first advanced studies education center was started by the UGC to raise the standard of teacher education? So here the answer number A, Madhya Pradesh, is very much correct. Which of the following, 19th question, organization implemented ICT integration Teach to the Future innovative program for pre-service and in-service training in teacher education? So here option B, Intel, is the correct one. Which of the following is not the part of career dimensions of professional teachers? So tell me, which is the correct answer? Competency, leadership, accomplishment, professional values. Yes, very correct. Accomplishment, C, is the correct answer. Then we come to question number 21. What is the system mostly required in the school to keep curriculum in tune with need of time and of the students? So option C, revision of curriculum, is the correct answer. Which of the following broad expectation of school it may be considered as ideals? So here question number 22 का आपका आंसर आ जाएगा D, democratic citizenship. Okay, yeah. Then comes question 23. Who is the theorist of curriculum synthesis? So answer B, Hilda Taba. Next, question 24. Which of the following type of curriculum is most effective in elementary schools? So activity curriculum, option C, is the correct one. Match the list of analyzing levels with performance. Level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 दिया है. परफॉर्मेंस डिस्कवरिंग, इलस्ट्रेटिंग, रिपीटिंग, क्लासीफाइंग, जस्टिफाइंग. सो ऑप्शन जैसे दिए हैं वैसे ही आपको मैच करना है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट, क्वेश्चन 26. अरेंज द स्टेप्स ऑफ करिकुलम डेवलपमेंट इन ऑर्डर टू अप्रोप्रिएट सीक्वेंस. So here question number 26, the answer number D is very much correct. देखते हैं. D, 4, diagnosis of needs. Then 3 is formulation of objectives करेंगे हम. उसके बाद हम करेंगे कंटेंट को सेलेक्ट. कंटेंट को सेलेक्ट करने के बाद हम करेंगे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ द कंटेंट. देन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ द कंटेंट होने के बाद वी विल do the selection of the learning experiences. 0.7. then 0.7 के बाद आप करेंगे organization of the learning experience, and lastly we are going to do the evaluation system. So answer D is the correct option. 27. arrange the stages in moral development of us in a sequence. अभी आप इसमें देखिए, सबसे पहले obedience punishment orientation आता है. so point number 2 पॉइंट 2 सी में ही है, तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज सी. दूसरा भी आप देख लीजिए, आपको पता चल जाएगा. ये आपका मॉरल डेवलपमेंट थियरी कोलबर्ग ने दिया था. पॉइंट 2 ओबीडियंस पनिशमेंट ओरिएंटेशन. देन आपका आएगा नेवली इगोइस्टिक ओरिएंटेशन, पॉइंट नंबर 4. देन आपका आएगा इंटरपर्सनल कॉन्कॉर्डेंस ओरिएंटेशन, पॉइंट 3, पॉइंट 6. ओके. देन आपका आएगा इसमें ऑथोरिटी एंड सोशल ऑर्डर ओरिएंटेशन. उसके बाद आपका आ जाएगा कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल लीगलिस्टिक ओरिएंटेशन एंड लास्टली प्रिंसिपल ओरिएंटेशन. ओके, सो दिस इज द सीक्वेंस. नाउ वी विल सी question number 28. According to Tyler Ralph W. Watt are the organizing structural elements of learning experience. So 2, 3, 4 is correct. So 2, 3, 4 देखिए ब्रॉडफील्ड कोर करिकुलम सिलेबस किस में है. 2, 3, 4 आपको मिलेगा ऑप्शन सी में. सो सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Question 29. Stating objectives in a specific form are helpful in dash. आपका सिर्फ पॉइंट नंबर 3 नहीं आएगा, बाकी तीनों आ जाएगा. सेलेक्टिंग लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंसेस, गाइडिंग टीचिंग, फॉर्मेटिव इवैल्यूएशन. 1, 2, 4 कौन से ऑप्शन में है आपका? ऑप्शन नंबर डी. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 30. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर द फैक्टर्स अफेक्टिंग करिकुलम. 30 में आप देखिए चेंजेस इन द सोशल वैल्यू, technological development, beliefs and expectations. These 3 are the much correct one. गवर्नमेंट चेंज होगी तो उसमें कोई ज़्यादा फ़र्क पड़ेगा नहीं. कैपेसिटी ऑफ टीचर्स में भी फ़र्क नहीं पड़ेगा. सो ऑप्शन नंबर ए 1, 2, 3 इज़ द करेक्ट वन. Question 31. The dash to research is concerned with subjective assessment of attitudes, opinions and behaviors. सब्जेक्टिव असेसमेंट हो रहा है एटीट्यूड्स, ओपिनियंस एंड बिहेवियर्स का. सो इट्स ऑप्शन ए क्वालिटेटिव अप्रोच. ओके, जस्ट अ सेकेंड. सब्जेक्टिव असेसमेंट बोला जा रहा है तो ऑप्शन क्वालिटेटिव अप्रोच, मिक्स्ड मेथड अप्रोच, एक्शन रिसर्च, क्वांटिटेटिव अप्रोच. नहीं, इसमें आपका आ जाएगा मिक्स्ड मेथड अप्रोच. सब्जेक्टिव बोल रहे हैं ना, तो एटीट्यूड्स, ओपिनियंस, बिहेवियर सबको असेस करेंगे इसमें. अकॉर्डिंग टू यिन, dash is not the component of a case study design. Option B, writing references. 33. The dash are the conditions or characteristics that the experimenter manipulates, controls or observes. तो कौन सा चीज़ कंट्रोल मैनिपुलेट आप कर सकते हैं? वेरिएबल्स को. ऑप्शन ए is the correct one. The 34. The dash variables are those uncontrolled variables that may have a significant influence on the result of a study. Option C, extraneous variable is the correct answer. 35. The dash scales are absolute or true zero measurement. Option B, ratio. इसमें ऑप्शंस के बिना भी आपको आ जाना चाहिए. करेक्ट. ट्रू जीरो जैसे ही देख लिया दैट मीन्स इट्स रेशियो स्केल. 36. The dash is relatively stable measure of central tendency. Relatively stable. Stable में आप मीडियन सेंटर वाला पॉइंट होता है, तो ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट वन. 37. द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द हाईएस्ट एंड लोएस्ट स्कोर्स इज डैश. हाईएस्ट में से लोएस्ट को आप माइनस करते हैं, और जैसे x2 माइनस x1, तो आपको क्या मिलेगा? आपको मिल जाएगा रेंज. सो ऑप्शन डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. When an alternative hypothesis H1 may be accepted and null hypothesis is rejected, H0 is rejected, this is dash type of error. This is type 1 error. Option A. The emerging design is the type of dash research design. So it's mixed method design. Option number C. A sequence of actions and interactions among people and events pertaining to a topic is called dash. It's a process approach. Option A is the correct one. 41. Observation provides dash data. Observation आपको कौन सा डेटा प्रोवाइड करता है? ऑब्जर्वेशन आपको दोनों क्वालिटेटिव और क्वांटिटेटिव डेटा प्रोवाइड करेगा. Most appropriate tools for valid assessment of student prepared products are rating scales and checklists. ज़रा देखिए ऑप्शन 1 and 2 कहाँ पर है? ऑप्शन बी में. सो 1 and 2 is correct. Question 43. What is the primary purpose of a portfolio assessment? So portfolio assessment से आप करेंगे student progress को over time में measure. To measure the students progress over the time. Option B is the correct answer. Which of the following is not a characteristic of a reliable assessment? Tell me. So यहाँ पे आपका आ जाएगा 44 का D option. It's subjectivity. Then a rubric has 3 essential फीचर्स, तो इसमें आपका ग्राफ को छोड़कर बाकी तीनों ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट. इवैल्यूएटिव क्राइटेरिया, क्वालिटेटिव डेफिनेशन, स्कोरिंग स्ट्रैटेजी. ज़रा देखिए 1, 3, 4 कौन सा ऑप्शन में आता है. 1, 3, 4 कम्स इन ऑप्शन नंबर सी. ओके, नेक्स्ट 46. Dash carries much potential for transforming teaching and learning process in ways that enhance learning outcomes. आपको पता है formative assessment is the best one. उसमें आप कुछ अगर गलतियाँ हो जाती है तो दूसरे एग्ज़ाम के लिए आप फिर से तैयारी कर सकते हैं. तो और formative assessment को आप for से करते हैं, assessment for learning. Option D is the correct answer. Instruction needs to focus more on the process and less on the content being taught is the principle of andragogy. Option C is the correct one. The appropriate sequence of 5 steps of Morisan teaching model, that is the understanding level, is option number A, exploration, presentation, assimilation, organization. Recitation is the correct one क्योंकि organization पहले आप नहीं करेंगे, रेसिटेशन आप पहले नहीं करेंगे, एसिमिलेशन आप पहले नहीं करेंगे, तो आपका बच गया एक्सप्लोरेशन वाला पार्ट जो सबसे पहले आप करते हैं. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फार्मूला इज यूज टू कैलकुलेट इनडायरेक्ट एंड डायरेक्ट रेशियो I/D ऑफ टीचर स्टॉक इन फ्लैंडर्स इंटरेक्शन एनालिसिस. तो हियर आपका आ जाएगा C1 + C1 + C2 + C3 + C4 अपॉन C5 + C6 + C7 into 100. सो हियर आपका जस्ट ऐसे C4 नहीं, आपका C5 तक आ जाएगा न्यूमरेटर में एंड C6, C7, C8 आएगा डिनोमिनेटर में. सो ऑप्शन ए इज़ द करेक्ट वन. देन 50th, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द हाइएस्ट कॉग्निटिव प्रोसेस एज पर एंडरसन क्रैथवोल्स रिवाइज्ड टैक्सोनॉमी. So option C, creating, is the correct answer. The 51, the origin of dash technology is based upon psychological laboratory experiments. Option B, instructional technology. 52, a boy learns through social interactions. Yes, this sentence is related with Vygotsky. Option C, constructivist learning principle. Teaching technology is an application of dash knowledge to teaching for achieving some specific learning objectives. So here आपका philosophical, यहाँ पे आपका philosophical, sociological, scientific तीनों करेक्ट है. ज़रा देखिए 1, 2, 3 किस ऑप्शन में आता है. ऑप्शन नंबर डी. सो 53 का आपका आ जाएगा डी ऑप्शन. Which of the following portal is related to massive open online courses is the very simplest answer. The answer number Swayam, option C is correct. 55, dash technology provides two-way facilities that are user participation to democratic and type of interaction for user is two-way. Tell me, आपने कौन सा ऑप्शन मार्क किया है. Web 2. Yes, option number B is the correct one. The main purpose of assistive technology is to help student so they can dash, ताकि वो लर्न कर सके, कम्युनिकेट कर सके एक दूसरे के साथ और फंक्शन कर सके बेटर वे में. सो ऑप्शन 1, 2, 3 सब करेक्ट है. दैट इज ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज द करेक्ट वन. Generally, these three types of technologies are involved in computer assisted instruction: hardware, software, courseware. So option number 1, 2, 3 किस में है. ऑप्शन सी में. So C is the correct answer. Next, 58. The 5 phases of ADDIE model is represent a dynamic, flexible guidelines for building effective dash. So इसका ऑप्शंस देखते हैं. ऑप्शन आपका D, instruction and performance support tools is the correct one. Which of the following portal, 59th, which of the following portal has been made available by the UGC to facilitate open access of Indian MPhil dissertations and PhD thesis to the academic community worldwide? So Shodhganga, option A is the correct answer. Dash is not an online survey tool or app. HubSpot, C option is the correct one. 61. What is the primary goal of educational administration? Primary goal क्या है educational administration का? So option number C, to ensure efficient and effective operation of an educational institution. Correct. So 61 का C is the correct one. What does total quality management emphasize in organization? यहाँ पे आपका आ जाएगा achieving excellence in all aspects of organizational activities. So it's just focusing only on product 62 का achieving excellence, focusing only on the product quality without considering process improvements. I think this could be option 2 according to the आंसर की. तो इस वाले को भी हम लोग डाउट मार्क करते हैं. ये आप एक बार देखिएगा, आइदर 2 और 4 में से कोई एक आंसर होगा. मोस्ट प्रोबेबली आई थिंक इट शुड बी 2. ओके, नो 2 नॉट 2. अच्छा, 1 सेक, नॉट 2. इसमें आपका आएगा 4. दैट मीन्स आप नीचे देखेंगे तो बी ऑप्शन इज द करेक्ट वन. ओके, सो दिस इज कन्फर्म. तो 4th आंसर इज द करेक्ट वन, क्योंकि ये अचीव कर रहा है एक्सीलेंस सारे एस्पेक्ट्स में. किसके? ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल एक्टिविटीज़ की. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट. व्हाट रोल डज फीडबैक प्ले इन क्लासरूम कम्युनिकेशन? मेक द कम्युनिकेशन प्रोसेस वन वे? नहीं. असिस्ट स्टूडेंट्स अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड प्रोवाइड गाइडेंस फॉर इम्प्रूवमेंट? यस. क्रिएट बैरियर क्रिएट करता है क्या कम्युनिकेशन में? नहीं. डिस्करेज करता है स्टूडेंट्स को फ्रॉम पार्टिसिपेशन? नहीं. सो ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट वन. 64. In a team of researchers conducting a scientific experiment, which leadership style from Levin, Lippitt and White's 1939 experiment would likely be most effective? So tell me, आपने कौन सा आंसर मार्क किया है इसमें? Laissez-faire, democratic, authoritarian, a mix of laissez-faire and democratic. So most probably the correct expected answer key in this is democratic. Okay. Next. Planning and educational management should be dash. Continuous होना चाहिए, dynamic होना चाहिए, that means ever changing, correct, and flexible होना चाहिए. So option C is the correct one. Rigid नहीं होना चाहिए, तो ऑप्शन ए भी अपने आप चला जाता है. Discontinuous भी नहीं होना चाहिए, तो D option is also incorrect. Next, 66. What is the term for act of getting individuals to behave in ways that are acceptable to a group? Accept कैसे करेंगे? जब आप socialize होंगे, socialization. Okay. Next, 67. Who has formalized the concept of Poka Yoga? Shigeo is the correct answer. Option A. In 2016, a group of institutions invested in enhancing student learning outcomes. Which analysis should be conducted to assess if the investment achieved the intended results? So इसमें आपका आएगा cost benefit analysis, option number A. International Network for Quality Assurance Agencies in Higher Education, INQAAHE, established in 1991 is the correct answer. So correct answer is option number A. Which of the following is not a criteria of quality assessment followed by NAAC? रिक्रूट करना टीचिंग और नॉन टीचिंग पोस्ट को, ये क्राइटेरिया नहीं है NAAC का. So option D is the correct one. The basic philosophy of inclusion is learn to live together. Option A is the correct one. Gifted students are dash independent from teachers. Option number C is the correct answer. National Institute of Education for the Visually Impaired is located at, tell me. Option number D is the correct one. 74. The sharing cost percentage ratio of central and state government in respect of DPED project is 85:15. Option B is the correct answer. Which of the following is not a characteristic of learning disabled child? So lack of social interaction characteristic feature नहीं होता है learning disabled child का. FM transmission in amplification devices and audio loops, these devices are used for, किसके लिए use होगा? hearing impaired children के लिए होगा ये use. Which of the following association is associated with language disorder? American Speech Language Hearing Association, ASHA, is the correct one. Option A. 78. Children and young adults can generally hear sound ranging from 20 to 20,000 hertz. Option number D is the correct answer. Which of the following is a type of an intellectual disability? Intellectual disability, option B. Mental retardation is the correct one. Orientation and mobility instruction is measure for dash. Tell me. This is hearing impaired children. Okay. Yeah. 81 Sankhya Darshan was originally proposed by option C Kapil. Pranayam is the dash step in Patanjali's Ashtanga Yoga is option D fourth step. The original written work on Vedanta is dash Brahma Sutra. Option B is the correct answer. Okay. Then the three parts of Buddha Tripitakas are dash. So option number C, Abhidhamma Pittak, Vinaya Pittak, Sutta Pittak is the correct one. Next, which of the following is true about Jain religion? So Jain religion is realistic and it does not acknowledge Vedas. Option A is the correct one. Indian spiritualism is very much similar to Western dash. In this the idealism वाला आप idealism से connect कर सकते हैं Indian spiritualism को. Okay. Next, naturalism declares that nature is the source of all knowledge. Option B is the correct one. Pragmatism is also known as, tell me, logical philosophy, spiritual philosophy, experimental philosophy, technical philosophy. So correct answer is experimental philosophy. Option C is the correct one. Okay, now हम आ जाएंगे 89th क्वेश्चन पे. Realistic recommends dash for learning. It recommends inductive method for learning. Swami Vivekananda's philosophy can be described as practical Vedanta. Option number D is the correct one. While implementing a policy approved by authority, the role of governance is to dash. Is to critically think, test practicability, assess and implement. Okay. Next, few more questions. According to Secondary Education Commission, which of the following is not a part to be considered as the base for reorienting the aims of education? So option D, constructive learning को आपको नहीं include करना है, बाकी तीनों को आप consider करेंगे. Okay. Question number 93. Which one of the following is the educational structure recommended by the Mudaliar Commission for School Education? 5+3+4. Option A is the correct one. 94. The suggested model of school complex by Indian Education Commission 1964-66 is dash. Integration of schools with colleges and university. B. Colleges and universities should separate out but assess the secondary schools. Dissociate the lower grades from secondary education. Enrich secondary schools with facilities and isolate. Tell me which one is the correct one. Yes, integration of schools and colleges and with colleges and university. Option A is the correct answer. Then question number 95. Education Commission 1964-66 is also known as very simpler Kothari Commission. 95 B is the correct one. Yashpal Commission critically observed the existence of undesirability of dash too many regulatory bodies leading to inefficiency. Option C is the correct answer. Verma Commission report has recommended with reference to primary school education. So here option A, to close existing institutes. B, make them part of higher education. C, support academically to enrich institutes. Okay. D, to recognize B.Ed as qualification for primary school teachers. So option D is the correct answer. The term EMIS refers to Educational Management and Information System. Option A is the correct one. Justice Verma Commission recommends for Justice Verma Commission report से 2 क्वेश्चन आ चुके हैं कल के पेपर में. Justice Verma Commission recommends for teacher education colleges to be interdisciplinary and multidisciplinary settings as far as possible, in that in regional colleges only, or close if not in interdisciplinary or multidisciplinary format. So option A is the correct option. Last question for today. As per National Policy of Education 1986, the important three aspects of elementary stages are: option A, learning mother tongue, state language and national language is the correct answer. So I hope you have got all the 100 questions. So comment me down how much marks did you get from 200. I hope you know कि एक क्वेश्चन 2 मार्क का है, तो टोटल सेट एग्ज़ाम 300 मार्क्स का होता है. पेपर 1 इज़ 100 मार्क्स, 50 क्वेश्चंस, 2 मार्क्स पर क्वेश्चन. एंड आपका पेपर 2, जिसने पेपर 1 नहीं देखा है, यू कैन जस्ट गो एंड वॉच माई previous video and you will find out the expected answer key of paper 1 set exam of 15 June 2025. So here I'm ending with the paper 2 expected answer key. Hope you have got the clear concept. Thank you so much. Be in touch, keep studying, keep your focus, keep consistent with your efforts. Bye, take care.